It's another do it yourself day, and today I am making body moisturizer for my family of 5. For a long time now, we've been dealing with body itching, dryness, and this time around I decided to do something natural. I got my items from Amazon. Although I had the shea butter at home, so I got other things from Amazon. They are pretty cheap. I'll link them under this video if you would like to give a trial. I've been using shea butter from this particular company for a long time, which is the reason I searched if they got other butter. So this is avocado butter that I'm adding in a bowl. I added the same measurements that I did for shea butter, and this is mango butter that I'm adding in the same bowl. So I added 3 types of butter: shea butter, mango butter, and avocado butter. Well, one of the things I should have done, which is what I usually do when I'm making hair moisturizer, is to put this in the microwave and just get this into a liquid. I understand some people maybe just steam it, but I usually use the microwave to get them very soft. But because my intention was to whip, I didn't bother doing that. So this is me whipping the 3 butter together, and one of the things I'll be doing next is to try the steaming method so that it doesn't really take time and I don't find lumps in the mixture after. After whipping it for some time, I got the sweet almond oil as well from Amazon, and I just added 2 cup cover of it in the mixture just to give it that nice, not just the scent but the lushness, and of course almond butter is very good for the skin. And this is carrot oil. I also got the carrot oil from Amazon. I usually make my own at home before, but because I don't want to be wasting time putting the things together and I really want the cream ready as soon as possible, so I got the carrot oil as well from Amazon, and I use that in excess, not excess really, but I use so much of that because I love carrot oil a lot on my skin. And I got the essential oil. I got lavender essential oil. I love lavender a lot, so I just added few drops, not too much, few drops, because I wanted this to be a kind of fragrance-free body moisturizer. So I didn't get any perfume because it's not just me that's going to use it. My kids are going to use this as well, and because I really don't want a very pronounced smell on me when I go out as a Muslim lady, so I didn't add any perfume whatsoever. But the lavender oil, the almond oil, and the carrot oil really did a good job with the smell of the butter. They really took a bit of the smell of those butter from the mixture. So I whipped more and more with my hand mixer, and when I was satisfied that it's very creamy, it's lush, that was when I stopped whipping. And then I realized that I didn't have any small glass jar at home. I used to have all those tiny ones for strawberry jam, but I realized I didn't have any because I've used them for my homemade natural spices. So I used this plastic tiny bowl. I put the mixture inside and the remaining inside the empty mayonnaise jar. For my next mixture, for my next body moisturizer, I'll be getting jars from Amazon. I'll be getting cream jar so that will make it look very, very, cream like container and easy to take from. Because with this one now, eventually by the time we go further in the usage, it might be difficult for us to dip our hands inside. So my plan is to get cream jar ahead of my next mixture, just so we have something that looks real. But all in all, we have been using this and we have no regrets. It's very, very, moisturizing. No one is complaining of itching again. Personally, I stopped complaining about night itchy. I used to feel so itchy at night, but I realized that's really stopped when I take my bath in the night. I rub the moisturizer and that is it for the day. If you enjoyed this video, if you enjoy natural ingredients, if you are a fan of healthy living, healthy food, healthy lifestyle, real life content, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. And if you have done anything similar, I would love to hear from you what you added to your body moisturizer, so that could give me an idea of what good thing I can add for the next time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.